The much-anticipated styling update for the Tesla Model Y, the world's best-selling new car of the past year, appears to have been revealed through leaked photos. The images, allegedly showing the upcoming Juniper facelift of the 2025 Model Y, surfaced online ahead of its expected release next year. Shared on Reddit by user ABOM1997, the photos purportedly display the updated Model Y's rear end and interior. While the authenticity of these images has yet to be confirmed, they suggest that the new Model Y will differ from the recently facelifted Model 3 Highland sedan. The leaked images show a full-width taillight bar on the Model Y, which would make it the second Tesla model to feature this design, following the Cybertruck. The new tailgate design might also relocate the license plate to the lower bumper. Inside, the Model Y is expected to feature an ambient light strip across part of the door panel, similar to but distinct from the Model 3, along with a redesigned dashboard with trim reminiscent of the Model 3. The updated interior also includes a new door handle design and perforated front seats. While not visible in the leaks, it's anticipated that the updated Model Y will adopt the steering wheel-mounted indicators and touchscreen-based gear selector, similar to the Model 3. Previous spy photos indicated significant camouflage on the front and rear of the Model Y, suggesting updates such as slimmer headlights and new bumpers, akin to those on the refreshed Model 3. The black vehicle shown in the leaked images aligns with the prototype spotted during testing earlier this month. Reports from 2023 suggested that production of the refreshed Model Y could begin in October 2024. However, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has confirmed that the facelifted Model Y will not launch this year, making 2025 the earliest possible release date. Expected updates for the Model Y include new wheel designs and a larger, brighter touchscreen. The ambient lighting and dashboard changes seem distinct from the Model 3, indicating that Tesla may be introducing unique features for the Model Y. The codename Juniper for the refreshed Model Y suggests that while the vehicle might not arrive until next year, we're seeing the early stages of prototype testing. Additionally, the front bumper camera, seen on the Cybertruck and anticipated for the Model S and Model X, could also feature in the Model Y. This upgrade may be part of Tesla's AI-5, fifth-generation FSD autopilot hardware, which Elon Musk has indicated will enter high-volume production in 18 months. Overall, the leaked images hint at exciting changes, including the distinctive rear light bar, which aligns with a trend towards a more Cybertruck-inspired design.